This video is meant to teach you how you can earn points towards your homework. So I'm logged into my Duolingo account. You can see here that I have all of these little lesson options that I can choose to do. And I know I can choose to do them because they're highlighted like the icons. As I scroll down, I can choose to do any of these, and that's because I've already done a placement test and been able to demonstrate that I know how to do all of these things. However, unfortunately for my placement test, I didn't get beyond this point. And so I can't click on any of these. So I could choose to start at the beginning, or I could choose to start all the way on, let's say, community. However I want, but I do have to strengthen these points in order to be able to move on all the way down to here. It won't let me unlock these until I strengthen all of these skills more. So let's say I choose intro. I'm going to start a woman, una mujer.
El niño, la niña.
Boy, girl. Here I have to write this in Spanish. They give me the word bank.
Yo soy un niño. Yo soy un hombre. Yo soy un hombre.
Okay, so I just finished the lesson. I got a trumpet sound, and then I got the screen. It tells me lesson complete, 10 points, plus I got a combo bonus of 5 points. So because I had sort of like a streak of getting a bunch of questions correct, I got an additional 5 points. I earned 1 lingot, and now back at the main page, I can see that this has been strengthened. And I can see here that I have 29 points in total. That's because I had done points earlier today. So now I have 29 in total. In case for some reason you don't show up here, it will show up here what your progress has been. And I know I need 100 points in order to complete my homework. So I'm going to need to keep completing more lessons until this says 100 and or more in order to have completed my homework. And that's it. That's how you collect points. Just click on these little things, these little icons that are highlighted, and get points.